Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the camera safe and visible. Remove battery and memory card to avoid accidental power. Once done, open the back or access panel with the correct screwdriver. There is no guesswork. You inspect the belt area under magnification because small cracks or glazing indicate failure. Take photos as you go. Note gear positions so reassembly returns original alignment. Prepare the replacement belt that matches width and length. Having the right part prevents stretching and repeat failure. You now remove the old belt step by step, and you must remember the routing. Take 2 photos from different angles so you can reverse the process. Carefully loosen any clips or tension springs. Do not pry gears or you'll crack housings. Once slack, lift the belt from each pulley using tweezers and set small parts into labeled trays. If adhesive residue remains, clean with isopropyl alcohol applied sparingly. This helps the new belt seat evenly and prevents slipping later. You fit the new belt exactly where the old was, aligning marks and ensuring it sits in gear grooves. Correct tension matters: 2 tight strains bearings, 2 loose slips. Once routed, re-engage tensioners and manually rotate the drive 2 to 3 full cycles to seat the belt and confirm smooth motion. Then reinsert battery and run a gentle power test. Cycle functions, listen for unusual noise, and check frame advance. If slippage occurs, recheck routing and tension. Often a misrouted belt or trapped debris is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.